microphone is off.
Okay, so that's recording and that's recording.
Are you narrating or am I?
I'll do it. Here we are at the city. The sewer pipe is about 70 feet from this front clean out. I'll pull back and show you what's going on. 6-inch pipe, it's clay pipe through here. It's a little low here at the end of the run. About a 2-foot section. We're looking for cracks and any damage along the section of pipe.
Is that a good speed?
Yeah. Looks pretty good through here. So there's some roots right through there. So to fully assess the pipe, it needs to be cleaned. You can tell better if it's just low or if it's just the roots hanging up this water through here. That was a tough spot to get through. Big clump of roots right there holding the water. So the condition of the pipe through here is going to be unknown until it's cleaned out. It's possible that it's just a low spot through here. It's kind of what it looks like. I believe it's still, it kind of looks like, I think that's transite pipe, and it also looks like it's 6-inch still. You can tell by the white at the top. It's not clay, it's not PVC, it's not cement. Yep. A lot of stuff in this pipe still yet, so cleaning would be recommended. I don't believe we'll get any sort of visual through here. We didn't push down. We ran a bunch of water to try to get it to give us a visual on the pipe, but it's all underwater. So this pipe needs to be cleaned, and then we can further assess if there's any damage. Again, we can't really see anything, so, and that's all the way back to this clean out where we can't see anything, so. And then we'll show you our access. PVC. All right, thank you.